every single day, the market will give you 2 to 3 good setups. It's important to not have bias, be it long or short, because as you see in the charts, the chart could go down and within a couple minutes it could flip back up and take out your stop loss and go the other direction. So it's always best to use if-then statements. If this happens, then this is my plan. On the flip side, if the other scenario happens, I will have a plan for that also. So if and then statements throughout the trading day are your best way to approach the trading day. Friday, 8 minutes into the trading day, Eric in our Discord community, our teacher, our mentor, has already drawn up a possible bullish scenario as well as a bearish scenario. So here is the bullish scenario that he drew up. He's already identified the algorithms, the green buying algorithm, the orange tapering algorithm, as well as the teal. So he's already identified 3 algorithms so far, 8 minutes into the trading day. You're going to see how powerful these are and the edge that it gives you in trading. So here is the bearish scenario, which happened to play out. Again, he gave us 8 minutes into the trading day. We had 2 scenarios. If the bears show themselves, then look out for this. If the bulls show themselves, then look out for this. So 8 minutes into the trading day, he's already drawn out 2 scenarios. Here is the chart, 8 minutes into the trading day, and you'll see as I move the chart, price broke down below the 5-day moving average, retraced, and touched the moving average as it now is resistance. And we'll go back and look at his if-then scenario. Here's his scenario. Price will go down below the 5-day moving average, retrace back, and the 5-day moving average will act as resistance, create a head and shoulders pattern, and continue down. And as you see, that's exactly what happened. Price went down below the 5-day moving average, came back up and tested the 5-day moving average, and it now acted as resistance. From there, price continued down.